Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the newlyweds. And to my right is Leslie Latour.
I'm Leslie, and Larry, we drove down from Maine. It's a great week. This is called I Gave You Back. If
I could fly, I would ask my wings to carry you upon the wind, to rise up o'er the sea, across the canyons, down in through the valleys, to bring your youthful smile back home here to me. I gave you back to wind and sun and heavens. I gave you back to sand and salt and sea. I place my faith in places where they'll find you. But now I'm wanting you back home here with me. I hear your laughter within the swirling autumn leaves. I feel your gentle soul each setting of the sun. I see the path you're on each time I say my morning prayers. I'll cry these tears until this life is done. I gave you back to wind and sun and heavens. I gave you back to sand and salt and sea. I place my faith in places where they'll find you. But now I'm wanting you back home here with me.
Yeah.